To transfer Solana from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet, start by opening the Coinbase app and logging into your account. From the home screen, select Solana, which can be found under the crypto section. Next, click the send button, and then enter the amount you wish to transfer, followed by clicking the next button. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. To find this address, open your Coinbase wallet, click the search icon, and search for Solana. Select Solana from the search results. Click the receive button, and you will be able to access your Solana address. Click the copy button next to the address. Return to the Coinbase app, and paste the wallet address into the required field. Click the confirm button, and then verify that the wallet address, network, and amount are correct. Once you have confirmed these details, click the confirm button again. Following these steps will transfer your Solana from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet.